Deep copy of DataFrame does not remove columns. I wish to use a subset of the columns of a pd.dataframe for further analysis. In this case, the first dataframe is called data, the deep copy is called dual_data. However, afterward I find gives array true, 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 type equals bool. Which should not be the case, as I have just removed 3 out of 4 level 1 columns from the data pd.dataframe. I wish to loop through the dual_data.columns.levels1, but this now loops through columns names that don't even exist in the dual_data pd.dataframe. How do I make a deep copy of a subset of columns and get the correct column names in the levels?
You are encountering the fact that the index is not recomputed, and so the level values redetermined, when doing a selection or a copy. A workaround to trigger a rebuild of the index is to create a new index based on the actual values in the index, data.columns.values. Consider this example. As you described in your question, the levels above still include the original level values. To get clean levels, you can rebuild the index manually and assign it. See also this URL for some discussion on this issue.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.